I love aromatherapy and I use essential oils for everything. If I have a boo-boo, I'm using essential oils. If I want to shift my mood, I'm using essential oils. In my next live video, I'm going to be talking about all the different ways that you can use aromatherapy oils, from creating room sprays to healing baths to all kinds of, face and body care products. I'm going to be talking about what I think are the oils you need to have in your home. I'm going to be sharing with you all kinds of tips and ideas. I've been an essential oil fanatic for almost 30 years now, before most people even knew what aromatherapy was. I hope you'll join me at our live event coming up, and please like, share, invite others to this event. If you have any aromatherapy questions, please send them to us as well. I will be answering questions live. However, if you send them in advance, then it's easier for me to prepare for the answers. So this way I'm giving you the best information. So hope to see you soon at the next live event. And when you're signed up to our different social media forums, you'll be kept abreast of all the events that are going to be coming. Ciao for now.